at the feeding point here where the staff will put some food for the birds to eat. Some information for the water birds, peafrows and pigeons. Hello. I see like, oh, the white furry artisans, we call it. Okay, now it's time to feed the pigeons. Oi! Not sure they will eat them. Just try it. No, they doesn't eat. Alright, one of them has started to find the green nuts. The red white barriers are no entry. We have the owl going sleepy. Oh, oh no, to sleep again. Oh, and there are a few more there. There's a reason they are called the night owls. They sleep in the day and wake up in the night. Oh, there are some more. The top. There are family owls here. Formation for owls. They are silent hunters that hunt mostly at night. They have molecular vision, sharp hearing and talons, sudden flight and head neck rotation about 270 degrees. Their diet consists of small mammals, insects, other birds, and they're divided to two families, the true owl and the barn owls. They are about from 34 centimeters to 40 centimeters or 50 centimeters. Oh, that's I think a papaya. Their diet. I love to take a photo with you, but please do not stand too close. In front of me is a Brahmini Kite eagle. There's one eagle here with a white head, white fur, and the feathers have a brown color too. There's a bird feeding show 10:30 in the morning every day. Wow. Now going down slope again. Over there are some more many birds. Wow. This is another feeding point. Right here, the big ostrich. Let's have a closer look. Wow. This place is really huge, man. There are two big ostrich in the corner. There are more peacocks here, a family of peacocks. Oh, there's a pair of peacocks. Here with the Eurasian jay bird, right at the cages. And there's cuter one here. Wow, there's a ostrich. I'm not sure what's eating. Oh, the neck is long. Just now I was like opposite and I was at lower land, now at a higher ground, so I can see them more easily. And the other ostrich is feeding. You see how majestic the ostrich bird is, the size compared to other birds. Hello. Information about the dogs and pigeons. Moving on the right side is a feeding station. Oh, there's a rare view of a peacock spreading its wings. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Oh, moving on to zone 2. It's a big walk. Just now I was at the other side. So every time I shake this, some of the greens, and then the birds will fly over here. Alright, the birds are following me. Give them some food. Hoi. And they are fighting more. Hoi. And they are following me. Like, whoa, whoa, whoa. I nearly fell. There are even monkeys here. Alright, I'm just a bit amazed by these cute little creatures. By the way, how they swing their tails in a cute way. Look at that. Oh, there's one more. Oh, this bird actually makes kind of a sound and bopping his head up and down. I'm a bit amazed. Alright, the bird here keep follow me because I have food on my hands. By the way, there are some mosquito here, so just be prepared to bring, some mosquito repellent. Oh, the cute little birds are still following me. Hello, 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 hello. These are the freshwater birds. They have long necks, large body, long legs, and strong bills. Some beautiful flowers and continuing our journey. The decent the birds are feeding. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Hello, hello. Alright, that's the end of tour zone 2. Now going back to zone 134 and climbing more steps. Oh. You guys wait a while. I'm actually taking a video so I can upload to my YouTube. Sorry for the interruptions. Just take about maybe it's not too far from the city center. Alright, now moving on to the children's playground. Okay, nothing much to see here. Let's return the main way. Wow. Hello.